Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining me in today's yoga practice. This will be a 10-minute power yoga. For those of you that I've heard doesn't have 60 minutes, 30 minutes, or 45 minutes, I have all these content in my portfolio here at Home Green Wellness. So if you like a 10 minutes, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know how you get on. This will be a quick one. So let's come onto our mat and we start in easy pose. Find your breath, inhale, reach the hands all the way up, and we twist to the right side. Bringing that right hand behind you, left hand on top of the knee, twist. Inhale, hands reach up, and then we twist over to the left side, right hand on top of the left knee. Inhale, bring your gaze forward, hands reach up. Exhale, release both hands in front of the mat, bringing your hands underneath your shoulder, knee underneath the hip. Cat and cow. Inhale, lift the chest and look up. Exhale, round, look towards the navel. Inhale, lift the chest and look up. Exhale, round, look towards the navel. 3 more times. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Last 2. Last 1. Come into neutral spine. Tuck toes under. Press into your downward dog. Start matching in place just to warm up the body nice and for our practice. Inhale, take the right leg up. Bring that right knee to the right elbow. Hug it in. Inhale, take that right leg up. Bend the knee, open the hip. Exhale, wow, thin. Open the heart. Lift the sternum, lift the chest. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Take the right leg up. Exhale, fallen triangle. Bringing that right leg towards the left elbow. Take the right leg forward. Left hand lift. Push into the right hand. Find your breath. Exhale the right hand down, right leg up. Bring that right leg in between the hand. High lunge, crescent lunge. Notice your breath. Hands reach up. On the mat this time, find your breath. Exhale, bring the hands down. Frame that front foot. Straighten the right leg. Pick up the toes. Lift and lean towards that right leg. Feel the back of your leg. Take a breath in and out. Bend that right leg. Inhale, rise up. High lunge. Crescent lunge. Exhale, open up warrior 2. Virabhadrasana 2. Peaceful warrior, reverse warrior. Coming back, warrior 2. Exhale, cartwheel the hands to the mat. Send the right leg back into your plank. Yogi push up. Upward facing dog, top of the legs on the mat. Downward facing dog. Great work. Inhale, take that left leg up. Finding your breath, left knee towards that left elbow, hug towards the midline. Inhale, take that left leg up. Bend the knee, open the hip. Exhale, flip the dog, wow thin. Open the heart, keep the right leg straight, left knee bent. Exhale, bring the left hand down. Inhale, take that left leg up. Left knee, right elbow. Active fallen triangle. Right hand up. Push into that left leg and lift through the right side body. Exhale, right hand down. Inhale, take that left leg up. Exhale, bring that left leg in between the hand. Rising up into your high lunge. Crescent lunge. Open. Feel your breath. Find your shoulder. Exhale the hands to the mat. Right away, bring your right knee on the mat and straighten that left foot. Pick up your toes towards the body. Breathe in and breathe out. Plant that left foot on the mat. Inhale, rise up, warrior two. Noticing any difference on each side. Opening. Peaceful warrior, reverse warrior. Coming back, warrior two. Exhale, cartwheel the hands to the mat. Send that left leg back and up. Left leg forward into your plank, yogi push-up. Upward facing dog, top of the legs on the mat. Downward facing dog. Right away, right leg reach high. Right knee, right elbow. Bring it in between the hand. Open up, warrior two. Extending through that right leg. Lengthen the spine. Straighten the right leg. Keep the right hip reaching towards the left. Right hand reach forward. Extend, triangle pose. My apologies. A lot of movement on the beach. Reverse Trikonasana. Keep the right leg straight. Open. Reverse Trikonasana. Finding that front hip, open the heart. Now bend the right leg back to warrior two. Exhale, cartwheel the hands to the mat. Send the right leg back, plank, yogi push-up. Upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Right away, take the left leg up. Left leg in between the hand. Pivot the right leg, warrior two. Straighten that left leg. Left hand reach forward, Trikonasana, triangle pose. Inhale, keeping the left leg straight. Reverse triangle, open. Finding your breath. Lengthen the spine. Coming back, warrior two. Exhale, cartwheel the hands to the mat. Send the left leg back, plank, yogi push-up. Upward facing, downward facing. Right away, bring your forearm on the mat for Pincha Marasana. Inhale, kick the right leg up. Option to down, press into your forearm and lift the left leg to the sky. If you fall, come back in. Release. Come back into child's pose. Relax. Inhale, come back into the hands, downward dog. Inhale, lift the left leg, half moon, left hand down. Inhale, lift the right hand all the way up. Lower down, warrior two. Peaceful warrior reverse. Come back, warrior two. Extended side angle. Right hand reach forward. Come back, plank, left leg back, yogi push up. Upward facing, downward facing. Right away, bring the right leg in between the hand. Half moon, Adra Chandrasana. If you fall, come back in. Warrior two. Peaceful warrior, reverse warrior. Come back, warrior two. Cartwheel the hands to the mat. Send the right leg back, plank, yogi push up. Upward facing, downward facing. Bring your forearm on the mat. Dolphin pose. Maybe pressing into your headstand this time. Exhale, lower down. Take child's pose. Inhale, come into hands and knees. Cat and cow. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, round. Take the right hand forward, left leg back. Bend and catch and kick up. Finding that length, breathe in. Strong back, strong core. Extend. Exhale, release. Left hand, right leg, lengthen. Bend the knee, catch. The right leg, extend up. Push into the right hand. Exhale, release. Tuck toes under. Inhale, charge the hands up. Hands reach up. Camel pose, open. Hands on your lower back, lift the sternum or the heels, lift the chest. Inhale, bring yourself up. Take child's pose, let it go. Inhale, slowly. Tuck the toes under, downward dog. Left leg outside of the left hand. Take a nice gentle twist. Open. Bring in that right leg outside of the right hand. Malasana. Exhale the hands to the mat, lift the hip. Take the left leg back. Open, gentle spinal twist. Checking in how you're feeling. If you want a longer practice, there is an hour, there is a 30-minute, there is a 20-minute. Exhale, bring the right hand down. Bring the left leg to meet with the left leg and the left hand. Lower your hip towards the heels and then place your hip on the mat. Right away, inhale, lift the legs up. Navasana, that was so cute. Straighten the legs if you're further to go. Lift the chest, open the heart. Breathe into it. Breathe out. Lower your hip and legs on the mat. Come into a cross-legged pose. I recommend that you take a savasana, just really quiet yourself if you have to go. Hands come on top of the knee, eyes closed. Breathe in and out. Checking in. How are you? How are you feeling in this now? Bring the hands in front of the heart. The light in me honors the light in each and every one of you. Now, if you're new, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, give me a comment. Let me know, do you like the 10-minute class? Was it too short? Was it too long? Let me know how you get on. From me to you, the light in me honors the light in each and every one of you. Namaste. All right. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that sunset. And I'll see all of you in the next one. I hope to interact with you on the comment section. Okay. Be well. Thank you.